channel. It's your girl Michelle. Welcome back to my bathroom. I have been waiting on you in my Martha Stewart home collection fashions. I have some excitement for you. Now, I'm actually really excited. Okay, so like y'all saw in the previous couple of videos, I straightened my hair. I got some good length. I got some growth, an increase in my thickness, which I'm all about because I could care less about long hair if it's not thick. Don't give me no thin, see-through hair. That's what I don't want. So this lovely wig that I'm showcasing today is from ISEEHair, and I will show you guys the unboxing and the wig. So I did my hair, blow dried it, straightened it out, did a little trim, and I was like enjoying my hair because I never really wear my hair out. The only thing is, it's silk press season, okay? How is it silk press season? We're in November, it's 80 degrees outside. So when I wear my hair straight, unless it's like the bone chilling middle of January, my hair is gonna puff up. Humidity. Now listen, I can use all the humidity protection in the world, all the sprays, all the creams and everything, my hair is still gonna poof up. It's probably gonna block out maybe 20–30% of humidity. So whenever I do a silk press on my hair, it's not. So I am very grateful that today I will be wearing a Yaki Straight so I can live my life vicariously through this piece. Here's the beautiful packaging. I love the silver. Let's go ahead and see what this wig looks like. This is a nice box. Inside my box I also got this envelope, and this is full of some additional accessories. Inside is an elastic band. It looks like it has some anti-slip grip on it and adjustable. I also see some replacement combs that are in here. Got a wig cap, and here is the wig. Look like a shampoo commercial. 24 inches long. Let me go ahead and put her on shakwafla. The hair, okay? Stunning. Absolutely stunning, sleek, okay? Humidity wear, combating humidity 1 unit at a time. So I'm gonna flip her inside out and show you what the cap construction is like for this unit. Apparently this is an upgraded cap for ISEEHair, and you have 3 combs. You got one in the back. It actually has this paper cover. I can remove this. There are 2 temple combs on either side. These combs are actually removable. So if you decide to do the bald cap method, you have no need for combs. You can remove them so it's that much flatter. And that is why they sent you some extras, honey, because they knew y'all was gonna lose them. And then when I turn it around, you can see all of this gorgeous parting space. All right, we got 6 inches by 9 inches across. You can do whatever you want, girl. Either side has these ear flap cutouts. And I actually removed it so I could show you guys the inside of the cap, but it comes with this adjustable elastic strap. Obviously, you would adjust this so it fits snugly around your head. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my head. I'm wearing this Glueless today, and the key to a very snug and comfortable Glueless install is if it fits and everything is adjusted perfectly. So now that I have this adjusted, I'm gonna put it on my head and I'm gonna give you a close-up of the knots and all that.
Never let him get you down. Gonna make it stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아, 'cause I got my collection.
Look at that. This hairline is really nice, you guys. Simply gorgeous, darling. I don't know, is it just me? Every time I wear long black hair, I feel like a villain. I feel like I'm entering a villainous era. All right, let me show you guys a close-up. So let me point out to you things that I already see that are really great about this cap. It is super flat. I have not used any adhesive or anything, so as I'm using my fingers to gently push the hair back away from my hairline, the lace isn't flipping up, it's not curling up, it's not too tight, it's not too loose, it's not buckling at all. So it's very flush. That is what you need when you're wearing a glueless wig, and it's also a sign that the wig is nice and secure and snug on your head. So if somebody does a little tug, you know it's not going anywhere, right? It's on. Let me pull this lace over my baby hairs. Y'all, I promise I'm not gonna wear it like this. I'm just wearing it this low so you can see my skin peek through the lace, and you can really get a good look at these knots. See that? Stunning. Before you do any styling, if your hairline looks like this plucking job that's so gradual, you're in good hands. So the fit is good, the hair looks amazing, we're ready for styling. I'm just going to pay some attention to my hairline. You guys will see how I do that with a little bit of mousse. I'm also gonna use my straightening comb to try to make this middle part as severe as possible, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that, and then I will be right back. You tell should be about ready to take off, and I'm going to show you guys why I love doing that. Why I love putting mousse on a wig, even if I'm going to wear it glueless or not, because it just melts everything. See what that mousse does? And it's still completely glueless. I didn't even need to cut off any excess lace, so we are golden there, so we can just transition right into styling. And let me tell you what I was thinking about. The Hollywood wave. All right, that's what we're doing today, bucko. So basically the first style will be how the wig came. Fresh out the bag. So here's this gorgeous look when it's all straight. There's just something so powerful about a simple hairstyle. I'm telling you, this is gorgeous. Walk into a room, heads will turn. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on those Hollywood curls to show the versatility of the hair and to show you how well it takes a curl. Alright, the hair has all been curled up and it curled really nicely. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of a sheen spray and then I'm going to comb out these curls. Now I don't want my hair to be curly, I just want to wave. So I'm going to brush 95% of these curls out. Such a pretty soft wave. Wonderful. I love it when the pattern comes together. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna be right back. So that's it. Here is the final look. The hair is giving effortless and the fit is giving Thanksgiving. Obviously the hair looks amazing fresh out of the bag, but I always want to add a little something for my videos. Thank you guys again for watching. I'm gonna make sure that I list all of the specifications and the information about this wig in the description box. Thank you ISEEHair for this gorgeous unit. Stick around, I'm gonna give you guys some close-up shots of the hair and the hairline, and I will talk to you guys later.